Divide 948 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 34. 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So now again this 4 is less than 6. So we put down this 8 and it is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. On subtracting we get 0. So 948 divided by 6 is 158. So this much for today and thanks for watching.